Good morning, P1 students. Today is Monday and it's the 15th of June 2020 for our learning objective today or our learning target. So this is the sign for learning target. I can read my learner's book, pages 46 and 47. So again, I want you to get your learner's book and open it to page 46 and 47 like this. So if you open your book, you're gonna see these pictures. See? So in this book, what we're going to do for this page, for 47, we're going to need some sticky tape or no sticky notes like this one. So these are things that you can write down some notes and stick it. Yes, for example, you can stick it and it will stick, or maybe not that one. That was old. Like this. Ta-da! Oh, that's why the other side. Stick, right? Sticky tape, sticky note. Okay, so here where teacher will write push and pull. So you can do this also at home, right? So if you have a sticky note or sticky note, or yes, like this. Oh, this one is not working. So you just need. So you're going to write push and pull. So teacher will write pull for the other one. Pull. So you can use a paper. If you don't have a sticky note, you can use a paper and tape and then just put it. All right, so again, our objective today is that we are going to read our learner's book, pages 46 and 47. For your assignment, you are going to answer your activity book, page 24. So this will be your assignment. So again, teacher will first show you your assignment. So this is your assignment. So here, there's a trolley. So what are you going to do with this? So in this exercise, you will think about where pushes and pulls are used. So again, in your book, I want you to write the word push or pull, right? So if you see like this one, a cart or a trolley, if you go to the grocery, what are you going to do with this? Are you going to pull it or push it, right? Okay, so again, there are how many pictures? There are 9 pictures. And below the picture, you're just going to write either push or pull. Again, this is your activity book, page 24, and this will be your homework for today, okay? All right, now let's look at this now. Let's now go to your book. So this is learner's book, page 46. So pushes and pulls around us. This bulldozer is pushing. What other machines push or pull to make things? So this bulldozer is pushing, right? It's not pulling. But remember last week, teacher showed you a video about a crane that is pulling some material, like the heavy, what do you call that? Like they pull some things to put it up when they are building, I think, a house, right? So a crane is pulling some cement or some materials to make buildings, right? But this bulldozer is pushing. All right, so here for this page, you are going to see, so since we are not in the classroom, so I'm just gonna show you some examples. Okay, so today, yeah, I'll just put it down first. So this is my lipstick. See, this is my lipstick. If I'm going to open it, what should I do? Should I push it or pull it? So again, pull is when we move things with force closer to us, right? So if I opened it, I am pulling it, right? Closer to me. The teacher can use it, right? So when if I want to open this and move closer to me or towards me, it's full, right? It's full right here. And if I want to put it back, if I want to put the cover back, I'm going to, if I'm going to put a force and close it, so I'm going away from me, so it's what? Push, right? How about this pencil? If I'm going to put the pencil in the sharpener, so again, if I'm going to put it, that's push. If I'm done sharpening it, that's pull, right? But here is also, there's another movement here. So this is push, this is pull, and if we want to sharpen it, it's another movement. It's called twist, right? Twist. We saw it on the movements. So this is twist, turning around. All right, so here, now let's go back to your book. So for this activity, we'll need a sticky note. So here, there's a door, there's a drawer, and like the wall here, and there's a computer. So when, like a door, when we want to open it, we will pull, right? We are going to pull the door. And some doors, we can what? We can push it in order for it to be open, especially those glass doors. But here, you just pull it. And also the drawer, this drawer, you can pull. So again, at home, you can just play with it. If you don't have a sticky note, you just cut a paper and use some scotch tape. So to put it. So here, so this is pull when you open the door. And when you want to open the drawer, it's also pull. And when you type in the computer, you have to push the keyboard so it will work, right? Okay. And you can try to push them or pull them. Okay, so again, just do experiment with this at home. And for your assignment, answer page 24, right? Okay, so why do some things not move when you push them? Like look at this rock. Why if you push them you cannot move it? It's because it's very heavy and we need something like a bulldozer or some other equipments to help you push it or pull it, right? So what did you learn today, or what have you learned? We have to push and pull to make things work. All right. Thank you so much for your time today, and thank you for studying with me. And I have a gift for you because you're doing a great job. You know what's inside, right? Open. And here is your prize. Wow, you got a star. Goodbye.